Alright guys, so here we have a Samsung 45 watt power adapter. Alright, so like it comes in two versions, I guess. One is without cable and one is with cable. So this is gonna be without the cable. Let's see what's inside. So here's the charger. Let's keep it aside for a moment. What else we have here? Nothing on this side, and here we have the manual and a warranty card, etc. So here's a charger, and it comes with like 6 months of warranty. Super fast charging, and we can use it with like our mobile devices, laptops or tablets. Here's the Samsung branding. And here we can connect a USB cable.